Hi everybody, and welcome to another Ugly Dog Challenge. Tonight we'll be doing the Hunter Challenge. So Miss Hunter selected some off-the-wall stuff for me tonight. This is a deco art. It's baby pink and it's pearlized. That's one of the colors she chose. Another deco art, metallic Lavender Frost. Another deco art, extreme sheen blue. I kind of got an idea. So we're going to start with pink. So let's just get this mixed up and get it cranked up and going. Baby pink. Pearl baby pink even. Wow. Well, I guess ain't no time like the present, is there? Let's get this mixed up and we'll get it glued on. I'm going to start by I'm going to paint this whole lure pink. Pretty in pink. That's the name of this lure. Pretty in kind of pink. Yeah. Works for me. Let's do the old finger test. Yeah, I think that's a little thick yet, folks. A little bit thick. Let's thin it out just a hair more. Pink lures. Very good for coastal waters, pink lures are. Especially if they mimic a shrimp. There we go, look at there. The old test is done. Let's wipe the old finger up. Get the old airbrush, HPCS, and we're going to keep our pressure about 18 pounds is what it said on there. So, let's make this lure pink for Miss Hunter. Wow. Certainly not a very dark pink, but we'll throw a couple of coats on it. Darken it up as much as we can. That's actually not too ugly of a color of pink there, folks. So that's actually kind of pretty. Okay, that's as pink as that lure's going to get. That'd be a nice color to do some squid lures in. There, Melissa.
Or shrimp.
Or shrimp, either one. Here goes our beautiful blue. Right over the top and down the sides with this blue. Let's finger it. Nice. Oh boy. What fun, what fun, what fun, what fun. Let's look this situation over here, folks. Alright, I looked long enough. Remember, folks, you're welcome to send me a challenge. I like to do the challenge. That makes me try to think outside the box a little bit. And move away from traditional colors, you know. That's actually a nice looking little bait already. Put the old heat set on there. The bait we're painting today, folks, is a 1.5 square bill from this Hunter's Challenge. So let's just throw a little bit more paint on there, don't we? Don't need a whole lot. Just damn flies about driving me crazy, folks.
Short drive.
See, I don't get no respect, folks. Where I come from, that senior abuse. So there's our blue and pink on that bait from the Hunter Challenge. So let's clean our brush, let that dry really well, and we'll move on to the next color. Booyah, folks, we back. We got this bait all dried up on the Hunter Challenge. So our next color is going to be Lavender Frost. Oh boy, what are we going to do with Lavender Frost? Well, it involves this overlay right here. We're going to wrap this bait and we're going to paint all that blue in there, Lavender Frost. So let's get her done. You know, ain't no time like the present. Let's get our tips over here. Let's wrap this dude up really tight. And just make it happen, Captain. Well, this has been kind of a fun challenge. It's not any colors that I would ever pick, but it's not me. You know, and that's part of the fun of my channel, is doing the challenges and seeing what people come up with in their mind that they want to see on the bait. And this is an extremely smart young lady. She's got the Widener gene in her, so I know she's smart. Well, that's it. Got this pulled around there good and tight. We got several more challenges coming up, folks. I have the Daniel challenge, and I have a Caitlin challenge, and I have a Melissa Hansen challenge. Melinda Hansen. I was looking right at my wife and called her Melissa. Something. I don't know, folks. I better shut up while I'm ahead.
I have it on film.
I was sitting here thinking about Melinda's challenge that she sent me. The next challenge coming up is going to be the Daniel challenge. Mr. Daniel sent me a challenge in. It's going to be fun and interesting too. He went with the dragonfly glaze way on his challenge, so it's going to be fun. I'm going to enjoy the world out of his challenge. He actually picked some very nice colors, and they're all kind of a fall color theme. And then we'll dragonfly glaze over it for him. So there we go, folks. Let's mix up our Lavender Frost and start coating. Come here, Bob. Give me a pencil with you. For all you that don't know, Bob's my fish. He's my helper. And he's a good fish. He don't eat much. He don't say much. So, Bob's been around a long time. Well, this Lavender Frost, folks, is a pretty interesting color.
Yeah, that's great.
That's a little bit too thick. See how slow that's running? If that fly don't go away, folks, I'm going to kill him. I'm trying to get my wife to do that for an hour, and she just says flies like to eat shit. So. All jokes aside, folks, I'm just kidding.
I said flies are attracted to shit.
Like I said, I really don't mind if that blue bleeds through that purple. It'll just make it an interesting color. It don't bother me at all. There we go, folks. Thoughts? Prayers? Anything?
I think when you epoxy it, if you put some of that pink glitter that you have, it'll look really good.
We might do that. We may put some pink glitter in it, but you don't know. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Some things get hot, folks. Some things get hot. Rip it off. Holy moly, folks. That looks pretty awesome. Can y'all see that? I don't think you can. Wait till it's epoxied here in a minute. You'll be able to see it a whole lot more clear. So this bait here, we don't want to put no dark eyes on it, so we're going to go with a silver eye on this bait. It's going to be pretty cool. I know you can't see it in the camera, but once we take photos and put it up, you'll be able to see it just plain as day. How cool it is.
You haven't had enough time with that tape?
I am. That's good tape. I blame that on my wife, but she's not the one that put the tape on these bills. It was me. But she's sitting there, so I'm going to blame her anyway. How dare you do something like that?
Just wait till Christmas. I'm gonna duct tape all your presents.
Oh, I don't care. I don't ever get nothing anyway, so I don't really care about you duct taping anything, girlfriend.
I don't remember that.
Tiny, tiny bit. Cool. We're going to let that dry a minute. We're going to clean our brush, and then we'll move on and get it epoxied and eyes on it and call it a day. Howdy, folks. Welcome back. We got this lure all dried up. This Hunter Challenge, pink, purple, and blue. So what do y'all say we just throw some epoxy on it and get it hung up and move on to the next one? I appreciate all of you sending the challenges in. I've gotten 4 or 5 different challenges this week, so I'll be getting them done as fast as I can. We did the Hunter Challenge on a 1.5 square bill, 1 and 1 on the epoxy and 1 on the hardener. So we might as well get it started. I'm debating on glitter. I really am. And I'm just not sure that I want to glitter this bait. I think that it's going to stand out very well on its own because of the type of paint it is, the metallic paints. So I promise you folks, we'll glitter the next one. Come here, Bob, give me a brush. You see, folks, I told you Bob does not argue. If he does start arguing, I'm leaving the building. Everybody, this is the Hunter Challenge, and this is the colors that she picked, and I did exactly what she wanted me to do, except for I forgot to put a watermark on it, and it's too late now. My wife's supposed to remind me of stuff like that, so it's her fault, folks.
All because I didn't give him a dirty look at the right time.
She does too. If looks could kill, I'd be a dead man. Hello folks, and welcome back. We got the hunter challenge all finished up, and she had picked baby pink, lavender frost, and amethyst blue. So there's what I came up with for her challenge. That's a pretty cool little lure, folks. So is challenge completed, hunter? Yeah. Kenna is do pawpaw, girl. Yeah. For all you that don't know what that means, it's who's your daddy. So that was a fun challenge to do. I'm looking forward to the next one, folks. Remember to like, subscribe, and share my channel. And if you have a challenge, send it in to me. The rules are right there to be had for anybody. You pick the colors, I pick the bait. So you folks have a blessed week, and I'll catch you later.